Hello, happy Monday. It has been raining for about 24 hours now, which is great because do you hear it? Which is great because we needed the rain, but it rained so much that Sam's basketball game was even canceled. So that's a lot of rain. But I'm happy that we are inside today, and I did my Monday cleaning, which Bo quickly undid. And now he is climbing in a cabinet. He's in there just being wild. Where's Bo? Where is he? Where is he? He's so silly. And Cora and I did school today. And other than that, we are just going to hang out inside today. And that is all that we have planned, which is really nice for a Monday. I think I might surprise the kids and start decorating their rooms for Christmas a little bit. So last night, Inga really wanted to decorate for Christmas. So I got out some Christmas bedding and put the Christmas tree up. Put some little blankets on the little girls' beds. I think they'll be happy when they come home and see their Christmas festivities. Hildy's always interested in Christmas. Their room is so cute. Are you double dipping? Is that yummy? Are you double dipping? He's giving me looks.
How am I supposed to shave in France?
Dad, nobody let me do anything.
You have anything to do? I got something to do. You think of those micro machines and all?
Oh, no! Here, let's go inside. Bye-bye.
You're a crazy driver. You are a crazy driver.
You wanna go inside? You wanna go inside?